Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover how to design with the blocks. So blocks are non-solving sketch entities and we can connect those blocks together to simulate different mechanisms. So right here on the screen I have got a very simple mechanism that I want to create. So right over here is a fork. So like what you would see with a forklift, and here are some other couple of arms that we can use to connect that together. And then we can see what we can do to create these connections from one part to the next. Okay, the first thing which I would like to do is select all these entities which are going to be fork. So I'm just going to select them and convert into block. So I already have my block toolbar here. So if you don't have your block toolbar, so what you can do is you can go into the tabs, right click on them and go into the toolbars, and then here is the option for the block toolbar. So you can just turn it on, or you can click somewhere here and then you can go into the toolbar and you can turn your blocks toolbar from here as well. So what I'm gonna do is I already have like my block toolbar here, which is docked into the right side of the software. So I'm just gonna select these entities and then I'm gonna go and select the first option, which is make a block. So it's gonna select all the entities and then I'm gonna click the green check mark. So I have my first block, and then the second thing is what I would like to do is I just want to select this line, hold the control key on my keyboard, and then I'm gonna select the second line, and then again I'm gonna go back into the block toolbar and the first option, make block, and then click the green check mark. So right now I have two blocks, first block and block second. So I would like to make another block. I'm going to select this line, hold the control key on my keyboard, and then select the another line. And then I'm going to go back again into the toolbars and then I'm going to make it a new block and click the green check mark. And I want to make another block, which is this circle. So I'm just going to select this circle, go into my block toolbars, make and press the make block, and then click the green check mark. So I have my 4 blocks here into the feature manager. As you can see, block 1, block 2, block 3 and block 4. So the next thing which I would like to do is I just want to select this point and I want to fix it like this. And I want to fix this point as well. I am going to select this point, as into the feature manager there is an option, I want to fix it, click OK. And one more thing, I would like to fix this point as well, click the green check mark. So now you can see, like, although the center point of the circle is fixed but not this point, so I can just rotate it. So there is another thing which I would like to do is I would like to go into the sketch and I want to draw a line from this point till this point. And then I'm going to press the escape key, and then I'm going to select this line and I'm going to convert into a block, make block, and then I'm going to click the green check mark. So this is also one of my block. Okay, so now what I can do is I can just hold this point and then rotate this throughout the circle, and you can see by rotating this I am just moving the whole mechanism. Although this is a really simple example, but you can see we can simulate motion very easily inside of a sketch block. So a great way to get started is to do a simple block diagram like this inside of a sketch, and then to figure out the lengths of the angle and then all the different mechanisms that will make your system work. Again, this is a really powerful tool and I hope you will make it part of your designing process. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.